Hi everyone, thank you so much for supporting Kukuri. So this time we made a Hanami Bento Box. Hanami means viewing the flowers, which means usually cherry blossom. So this is a cherry blossom season. I hope you're enjoying the springtime. Now, my name is Sawako. I am the executive director at Temple Kukuri, and I'm also a cooking instructor at the Sacramento Natural Food Co-op. So I directed all this bento box with the volunteers from the temple. I hope you enjoy it. So let me explain what we have here. So this is kind of a full course of Japanese in a bento box. This is not a cookie cutter bento box that you get from the store. So this is very unique. Now, the full course, there is an appetizer, and then there are several things follows. The first appetizer, you don't have to eat this in this following this order, but the appetizer, let's go on this one. So this is the 3-color sesame tofu, goma tofu. So regular tofu is very popular here, but we have other tofu which doesn't use soybean. So this is the goma, which is a sesame tofu, and then we have also peanut tofu in Japan and the southern part of Japan. This has 3 colors. The bottom one is the yellow with Kabocha squash and white sesame seed. Kabocha squash is coming from Otow Farm in Granite Bay. They're organic. Second layer is the black sesame seed tofu. The third layer is a beets and the sesame, white sesame seed. We usually eat it with the regular soy sauce and a little bit of wasabi. So you'll have a little bit wasabi and a little sweet soy sauce here on the top. The second one is aemono, the carrots, steamed carrots, and the carrots have a sauce coated. The sauce is the miso and walnuts, the local walnuts, and then the miso sauce with the sake kasu. So it has lots of probiotic because there's a sake kasu. Sake kasu is the byproduct when they're making sake. They have this waste product from rice. It's already probiotic and fermented. So you might taste a little sake fermented taste in this carrot. Aemono. Next one is this. So this is mustard flowers. It doesn't taste like mustard. It's a mustard family vegetable flowers, yellow flowers. So around this time there are yellow flowers everywhere. We can eat these flowers, and it's lightly steamed in kaeshi sauce and then white sesame seed on it. Kaeshi sauce is like a very light, less sweet teriyaki sauce. And there's a recipe in the description, so if you can go to my channel, you can see the recipe. Next one is Sunomono. Sunomono means it's pickles with the vinegar and sometimes with a little sugar. So which is this one? So red cabbage Sunomono. This has ume plum sauce or ume plum vinegar and tangerine juice, and it's marinated. Now the ume sauce is from the Umeboshi plum and a little bit of the shiso herb fruit. So this is from Mume farm in Chico area, and then you can see where you can contact them in the description. Next one is yakimono. Yakimono means that it's baked or grilled. So this kind of is the main one. This is tsukune. If you chose vegan, you will have the lotus root meatless loaf. And if you chose the meat one, this is the turkey tsukune. So it's like a meatloaf, Japanese version of meatloaf. And the vegan one, lotus root, bean, and also mushrooms and flaxseed in it. The meat turkey one is onion, meat, and a little bit tofu in it. Another yakimono, the grilled one, is daikon. So daikon radish is grilled, and then layu, the garlic, Asian garlic oil, is on it with a Himalayan salt. So this garlic oil layu recipe is in the description. You can make your own. It's very useful oil. Next one is agemono. Agemono means deep fried. So agemono is here, deep fried tofu, and this is like a sandwich of the tofu. Inside is green onion and white miso. White miso is a chickpea white miso that it's Temple Kukuri makes every year. This year we did the Zoom class to make our own white miso. Usually we do it in person, but in the future, if we have the miso making class, please join us. We have a white miso class and red miso class. Next one is rice. So we have chirashi sushi. This is the most typical sushi that we have around the springtime for celebration, because it's so easy to make at home compared to the rolled sushi or nigiri sushi. Chirashi means sprinkled, so everything is sprinkled on the rice. Chirashi sushi. Sushi means sushi rice. In Japan, when you say sushi rice, which means seasoned rice, it's not white steamed rice. If we say rice, gohan, that always means just plain rice. If you say sushi rice, it's always seasoned for sushi. So sushi rice, and then there's the shrimp, and all these little flowers, vegetable flowers, they are pickled vegetables. So the recipe is in the description. You can make it at home. If you chose the vegan bento box, you will have the avocado and also the lotus root on top. Chirashi sushi has the kinshi tamago, which means golden thread like egg. So it's a sweet egg tamago. If you have a vegan bento box, you have the same yellow one, but it's not egg. It's a fake egg made out of turmeric color, and also dosa flour. Dosa flour is a southern Indian crepe, which is rice flour and udolf, bean flour, fermented. So it's good for the digestion too. You also have sprouts on the top of chirashi sushi. Yours have wasabi sprouts, which is from the Eco Green Sprout Company. So you can enjoy a little wasabi taste sprouts. Next one is the pickles. So there's another pickles. This is a mustard green vegetable. It's fermented mustard green. This is very typical tsukemono, which is a pickled fermented veggies that we eat with rice or rice balls. And here's another one. You might have a turnip, daikon radish, or beets pickles. And lastly, miso soup. If you order miso soup, it comes in a miso bowl. So you have to make your own, and mitsuba herb is inside. So mitsuba is very fragrant springtime, nice green. Now get your hot water ready, and you're gonna pour about 1 cup to 1.5 cup. It depends on how salty you would like. And then you will stir it with chopstick, and then Hi, you have your miso soup. You will have the green onion, and also the regular miso has bonito flakes as a dashi soup stock. This bonito flakes is from my hometown, Kagoshima. It's the very famous fermented and dried over and over bonito. It's a powerhouse of umami. And it's very rare to have this freshly shredded bonito flakes. So it's it's a treat. Now, if you chose the vegan one dashi is kombu seaweed and also sun-dried, California sun-dried, we sun-dried our own burdock. So that's the dashi. And then you have mitsuba leaf and green onion also. So that's your bento box. And I hope you enjoy it. And then here is the blessing that we do. Put your hands together in front of your chest and we say itadakimasu. Itadakimasu means that we're taking lives from nature, from the universe, and then we're also thanking the chefs and farmers who brought the food to our table. Now all the ingredients are mostly locally produced, and then we will post the farmers' names and ingredients, produce and vegetables on our Facebook page. And also, if you would like to support us, continue to support us, please go to our website and you can donate, or you can become our member. And please join us for the actual cherry blossom viewing day, which is, we don't know yet, but we're gonna announce it on the Facebook. And then we are doing a pop-up tea station. So we are serving the matcha tea and some cherry blossom desserts at Bella Coolidge Park when the cherry blossoms are blooming at a peak. So please follow us on Facebook or subscribe our newsletter at our website. Okay, thank you so much. Itadakimasu.